Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In our Microsoft Word tutorial series, this is our second lesson, and in this lesson I am just going to show that how we'll use Microsoft Word options. Okay, so before starting every work in Microsoft Word, it's very important to change our setting for our advanced work. So it will give us a extra benefit when we'll work. So I'll show you today that how we'll use that. I mean, everyone actually when we'll just simply we open a Microsoft Office software, then just we start work there. But there are many person who don't know about that Microsoft Word option use, that how to use that and how will give us the extra benefit when we'll use that option. So let's start. And if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, I'll open our software here. This is our previous software, I mean file. So I'll open that Microsoft Word file, I mean Office Word file. So from here, when you will open that file, just you have to go here, just click here file. Okay, so from here click here file, then you will get here many options. So here is the info, here is the new. After that, here is the new option. I mean if you need any new page, then you can click here. Otherwise there have many types of report file. Okay, so you can also use that file. I mean this the template, so they have many template. Okay, so I think you can use that from here according to requirement. So and if you need the blank document, just click here. After that, if you have a file already, you have already worked there, just you can click open, and from here you can select anyone. Okay, otherwise you can browse from here. After that, just click here to save your file. Simply again I'll go file, then if you use save as. Okay, if you use save as, then how will use the save as option? Suppose this is our document. Now if you click save as, when you will click save as, you give here some option. So here it will give you where do you want to save. So it's giving you that option, current folder, if you want to save that current folder, or desktop, or otherwise where you have worked, that all folder are available here. So actually I will just use the browse. Suppose I will use browse, then from here I will save that file in desktop. Now they have some option. You can also give it here the author name. Okay, so you can give it. After that they have tag and title. After that save as, save thumbnails, you can also give that. Now this is the main option, save as type. So they have many types. Okay, suppose you are using Microsoft, suppose I am using Microsoft 2016 version, but I need to use that software in lower version. Okay, suppose in 2017 or 2007 or 2010, like that. So how will use that? Then you have to select that file in that format here, Word 97 to 2003 document format, that it will use, I mean it will open everywhere. Otherwise you can save here. They have many options, you can use any of that. Now if you want to save that file in document format, just click here document. After that, here the document format, and they have another option, optimize for standard publishing online and printing, optimize for publishing online. So I'll just always will use the publishing online and printing, because this is the standard format, and it will be very quality full. I mean it will give you the very quality full format. But if you select that, when you will zoom it, your file will not be very good. So I will just if you save here, it will save here. Just cancel. After that they have print option, so I will not use that option like at now. Then now share, export, close. If you click close here, it will be close. After that, here is the important the account. So you can click here and you can see that. Okay, you can see that from here, I mean your software is activated or not, and which version you are using. Okay, and for which version your license are available. So they have the option where my license are available, and from here also you can change your background. Okay, so if you select that, see that your dark gray your format will be like that. So if you select that white, your format will be like that, and if you select a colorful, your format will be colorful. Okay, so after that we'll come here option. This is our main focus on that lecture. So first of all, has the general. So has the user interface option. So from here you can use that option, just read it carefully. Now I will show you that personalize your copy of Microsoft Word. Suppose you are working now, what is your name actually? So just you can give it here. Okay, you can give it here, and from here you can select the themes, that what will be the themes here, like that. After that, startup option, let it default. Okay, so here is the important thing, real-time collaboration option. Suppose you were collaborating with your another friend or with your another partner in office. So suppose actually when you will work a mega project or will work in a big industry or anywhere, just you will get the option, you will get that opportunity to work as collaboration. I mean, you will be able to collaborate with your other partner, and it will also be collaborate with other, because suppose sometimes it's not okay or not easy to give them file. I'm just working here, I'm just giving them that file. Actually not that, just you will open or you will start working a file, and you will collaborate with your other partner, and he will see that file, that how you are working, or what till what you have completed your work, and what you work here, your partner will see that from another computer. This is known as the collaboration. So from here you can use that option. Okay, so it's showing us when working with others, I want to automatically share my change. Just here, always means if you select that option, it will change automatically. I mean, they will see that automatically. Otherwise, ask me, this is better to use. So if you give it the ask me, and when you'll share with them, then you will I mean, the software will ask you to give the permission. After the display, here the display, this is not also important part, or if you think that, you can read it from here. So after that, there's a proofing. So from here, this is actually for our text format. This is the auto correction option. You can also click here, and from here you can change that. So there have many options actually. After that will come as save. There have some important topic actually, automatically where you want to save your document. So from here you are seeing that this is the browsing link. Now here I will see you the one thing, I mean I will discuss about one thing, is the save auto recover information every. Okay, so this is the saving document system. Suppose you are working and you have forget, I mean suppose you are using a PC and you have no I mean actually power backup. So when the current gone, then your PC will be automatically shut down. Then what will be, you lost your every work. Okay, and suppose that before, you don't know when the current will switch off or electricity will switch off, then you'll face a big problem, because your all work will gone. So you can use that option. So they have many options, I mean automatically saving option. So it's saying save auto recover information every. Suppose if you use that option, after suppose I'm give here 1. So if I give here 1, that means my software, I mean that software will save my every work after every 1 minute. Okay, after every second, I mean here it will use the saving option after 60 seconds, and you will give here the, I mean you'll get that opportunity. So after that they have another option, you can also read it here, but this is the important. I always use that as a 1. After that, language, you can change here language. Okay, keyboard language or another language, then advanced. So from here advanced, just you can use that advanced option from here. Okay, from here you can use your advanced option. Now just read it and you will understand about that. Actually now this is the customize ribbon. this is a ribbon and we can customize that. So how we'll customize that? Suppose here is this is the most popular shortcut, and here suppose these are main tabs. These are main tabs, I mean our ribbons. So suppose if you think that they have more they have more ribbon, that suppose if I consider that this is the mailings, so this option is not required for me. So how will remove that? Just come here and select your mailing, here mailing, just untick it and then press OK, it will gone. Okay, so just click here. So that way you can use that. Now another important, the quick access toolbar. Here is the quick access toolbar. If you can save the quick access toolbar here for your work purpose, so that you can do your work quickly. So there have some options: save, undo and redo. The three are available here, just see here. Now suppose if you need something here, you can also select that. Suppose from here what you need, you just suppose if you need save as, okay, they have save and you need save as, just click here and select that. After that add, just see that your save as is available. Now you need to move it top, so just select that and just click here, just like that, then press OK. Okay, so after that add icon and here, so our work is done. So if I press OK, now see that here is your changes save as tool. Okay, so I will just remove from quick access toolbar that it is not required actually at now. So in this way just we can use our Microsoft options tool. So I think that's helpful for you, and if you think that that's helpful for you, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update every first, and also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment, because your own comment inspires for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.